Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video we will learn some terminology related to C language or any programming language. So let's start with token. What is token? Tokens are the smallest unit of any program. It different types like keywords. As you know that printf is used for printing, integer is a predefined keyword. Identifiers, that is the variables which we will use. Literals, value of data types, like int a equal to 10, then the value 10 represents the value, the literal. Variables and constant, as you all know, the identifiers can be assumed as variables. Operators and separators. So let's, as we already know, what is operator. Operator is a entity which is used for between two or three, more than one different operands to generate some specific value or to do some specific task. Like here, plus represents an operator and equal to represents an operator. Here a and b and c are operands. Operands are those things or variable in which operators are applied. So variables here are operands, the things where we use operator, on which we will apply operator is operand, and where the operand operator is applied, it is operator. So there are different type of operator like arithmetic operator, plus, minus, multiply, divide, remainder or modulus operator. Assignment operator. What are assignment operator? Assignment operators like is equal to, relational operator a greater than b, a equal to b, a not equal to b, a equal to b. Logical operator and or not. Increment or decrement, a plus 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 a. What represents a plus plus and plus plus a? Let us see. Let us take an example for pre operator and post operator. So here c is equal to a plus 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 b, c equal to plus plus a plus b. Here the two addition represents here the two plus are after a, so this is post increment, and here the two additions are before the variable, so this is pre increment. So let's see what is the difference between pre increment and post increment. So let's see here. uh, Here we have post increment, and we have initial value of a as 7 and initial value of b as 5. So here we will put initial value of a and b. The thing which has to be noted here, that in post increment, first the value is assigned to the variable, after that the value is incremented. So here, if in this expression first the value of a is assigned like 7 and b as 5, and their addition will be 12, so the value stored in c will be 12. Okay, and after that if we want to print the value of a, then we will get the value of a as 8, because after assignment the value is incremented by 1. A is equal to a plus 1, that's why we will get a value of a as 8 after this expression. And in case of pre increment, first the value is incremented, then the value assigned to the variable. So first the value of a is incremented. A is equal to a plus 1, that is a equal to 8, 7 plus 1 8, and b is 5, so their addition will be 8 plus 5, that is 13. It will be stored in the c, and the output will be c is equal to 13. And as we all know that the value of a had been already incremented, that's why we will get the same value after this expression as 8, and b will be as it is like 5. So this is the difference between post increment and pre increment of increment operator. We have many more types of operator like decrement operator, that is a minus minus or minus minus a, we can also have. So let's see some assignment operators. A is equal to b represents a is the value of a is equal to b. A plus is equal to b, that is a is equal to a plus b. Similarly, all these you can see a equal to a minus b, a equal to a divided b, a equal to a into b. Star represents multiplication. So this is the end of this video, friends. I hope you will like it. Please like, subscribe and comment, friends. Bye, friends.